Hello everyone, welcome to another read aloud of the summer camp, and today's read aloud is The Gingerbread Cowboy, a story written by Janet and Holly Berry. Once upon a time in the wild, wild west, there lived a rancher and his wife. Every morning, just as the sun was coming up, the rancher saddled his horse and fed the cattle while his wife baked biscuits with butter, biscuits with honey, biscuits with jelly. Yes, those breakfast biscuits were plump as pillows, soft as clouds, and tasty as big Texas barbecues. Then one day, just as the sun was coming up, the rancher's wife decided she was tired of making biscuits. So she measured and mixed and she made gingerbread dough. She rolled that dough flat and cut out the shape of a boy. But not just any boy, he had boots on his feet, he had a hat on his head, and he had a big belt buckle made of spun sugar. He was a gingerbread cowboy. She took raisins, candies, and nuts and gave him two bright eyes, a laughing mouth, and a cowboy vest with fringe. And she put him in the oven to bake. Look at the picture, how it is looking. I sure am hungry for biscuits, said the ranger, and leaning over and sniffing the rodeo romping good smell coming out of the oven. He opened the door for a peek, and as quick as the flick of a cowboy pony's tail, out jumped the gingerbread cowboy, and he ran out the door as fast as his boots could carry him. Look, gingerbread cowboy is running here. Whoa! Shouted the ranger. Come back, cried his wife. But the gingerbread cowboy just laughed and said, giddy up as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. He jumped over a horned lizard gobbling up ants and raced away as fast as his boots could carry him. Until he came to a roadrunner. I was about to have a lizard for breakfast, said the roadrunner, but I think I'll eat you instead. The gingerbread cowboy just laughed and said, giddy up as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. He wriggled through the coral fence and raced away as fast as his boots could carry him. Until he came to a band of javelins munching on cactus pads. Gingerbread shouted the javelins, yee-haw! The gingerbread cowboy just laughed and said, giddy up as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. He galloped past as big prickly cactus and raced away as fast as his boots could carry him. Until he came to a herd of long-horned cattle grazing in the field. No more grass for us, they all cried. We want gingerbread. But the gingerbread cowboy just laughed and said, giddy up as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. He ducked between their legs and raced away as fast as his boots could carry him. See, he's running until he met some hungry cowboys riding the range. The cowboys yelled, Stampede! They wanted gingerbread too. The gingerbread cowboy just laughed and said, Giddy up as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. He turned down a cannon and raced away as fast as his boots could carry him. He's running until he met a coyote napping in the sun. Now the gingerbread cowboy was feeling mighty pleased with himself. I have run from the rancher and his wife, the road runner, the javelins, the longhorn cattle, and the cowboys. He bragged, and I can run from you too. The coyote smiled. I don't want to chase you, he said, but I can hear those fox coming fast, and there's a river just ahead. Hop onto my tail, and I'll take you across. I can't let them catch me now, cried the gingerbread cowboy. So he hopped onto the coyote's tail. The coyote splashed into the river and began to swim. It rained last night and the river is deep. You would be better get on my back, said the coyote. So the gingerbread cowboy climbed onto the coyote's back. By now, the cowboys, the longhorns, the javelins, the roadrunner, the rancher, and his wife had arrived at the edge of the river. The rancher's wife took out her lariat and swung a loop out toward the gingerbread cowboy. Quick, stand on my nose, said the coyote. So the gingerbread cowboy jumped up onto the coyote's nose. Ha ha ha! Shouted the gingerbread cowboy as the lasso fell short. They missed. But I won't, said the coyote. He tossed the gingerbread cowboy into the air like a flapjack on a griddle and swallowed him in the gulp. And that was the end of the gingerbread cowboy story. I hope everyone liked this story. Thank you.